You'll love this vehicle. It's a vehicle you'll want to take home. Call today and get in touch with the dealer directly and be the first person to open the vehicle's door today. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 2.9-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, hill descent control, front spoiler, traction control, stability control, sport suspension, front suspension type, multi-link, front suspension type, strut, braking assist. Inside you'll find autonomous braking, voice-activated navigation system, rear view camera, airbags, front knee, upholstery, contrast stitching, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, Audi Connect satellite communications, cruise control,